Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Um, right now we're playing some Mud Runner, and I do have mods enabled, but I'm not really going to be like playing it normally like you would, but I think I just want to try and just go off-roading. Oh my gosh, I accidentally connected my winch. Alright, sorry if I sound a little different, I don't feel that great right now. I will turn on the diff lock and all wheels because we are probably going to need them for this map. You guys might have seen this truck in my other video. This is the same truck. It's a different map. Alright. I can also change the camera angle, which I might do. It's a little bit easier to see what you're doing. 1 second, guys. One second. Sorry about that, guys. I'm back. Mom was calling me for a second. Okay. Wait, let's see what this sign says. All wheels diff lock required. Or we could go that way. I think I might want to try this. This looks kind of fun. All wheels and diff lock. Okay. Okay, so far this is pretty freaking steep. Let me just look at these potholes. I'm definitely hitting the bottom of my truck. Already stuck. Okay. Oh wow, we just made it. Jeez, this is tilting. Oh my god. Okay. Oh, I got +2 damage by accident. Well, oops. I really don't think this camper is meant for this off-roading. Dude, I am actually just in the air right. 45 damage. Alright, we need to chill out. Alright, let me change my camera angle so I can see. Can we make it without completely destroying our truck? Oh my gosh, that's actually steep. Alright, we made it. This is so steep. Oh my god. But wait. I kind of want to get in the cab camera and see. Oh my god. Just floor it. I can't even see where I'm going. Alright. Oh, okay, yeah. I did not think we're making it up this. We need to just absolutely floor it. 45 damage. We're fine. How did my truck just make it up that? Oh my god. It just goes straight down. Oh! I just absolutely destroyed my diff, bro. Rear. Dude, that thing is cooked. You know what? It's fine. We have this massive camper truck. I mean, look at all that damage on the back. Dude, the front is absolutely destroyed. Let's see if I can repair it. Yeah, no. Alright. We have 0 repairs, and we have 355 out of 600 damage left, so. No way. Oh, we're sparking. Oh, God. Dude, I might have to restart. Guys, I think I'm gonna have to restart. Dude. You know what? I'm gonna go to the main menu. And I'm gonna go back into this game. This is the thing I'm on, but I'm gonna choose a different truck that I think might actually make it over. I think I'm gonna pick that truck. And oh man, dude, I don't know. I'll keep this one just in case. But I think I'm gonna go with this one first as my main truck. So I'm gonna start a new game right there. Alright, we're gonna try that. I think we might be able to get past this way easier. We're gonna have to put on our diff locks and all wheels, but I think we'll be able to make it in this thing. I mean, this thing's like pretty maneuverable, so we'll see how it goes. I really don't think we're gonna have that much issues with this, other than maybe running out of fuel before we get there. But we should be fine. We don't have that much clearance. I already have aging damage out of 300. Yeah, no. We have like 0 clearance on the bottom. We might actually not be able to make this. We're just going to take it slow. Alright. Oh man, we're already struggling to get over these. Bro, there's just no way. Yeah, no, we need to back out. We need to go way faster. Bro. Okay, yeah, no. There's no way that's working. We're gonna restart and change trucks back to the one I had before. Alright, I'm gonna switch trucks. Alright. I think we're just gonna be a lot more careful. I don't know. This truck is definitely a lot more lifted off the ground, but you guys saw like the damage though. This time I might actually try and go the opposite way. Let's try that. We'll go the opposite way and see if that's any easier to get around. I mean, at some point, there's at the end of the map there is a I think it's over that way up those hills. But I think at some point the map actually ends and there's just like it just says like thanks for doing the map or whatever. I kind of want to get to that point. But I don't know if this truck is like I already have 18 damage because well I guess I am going pretty fast, but I think we should try and go this way. See if there's any way we can get around. Okay, it looks like we might have to go into some water. No, we're going around. Okay. Oof, fork in the road. Which way do we go? I think we should go this way. These rocks are crazy because you can't even see them, and right when you go over them, just plus 15 damage, man. There are multiple paths to choose from. Let's try and go into the water. I think this thing's gonna make it. Oh, nah, what? That thing goes straight up. Bro, there's no way. Oh, wheels diff lock, bro. What do you mean? You can't even get up this thing. This is a cliff. Oh my god. We're actually kind of making it right now, guys. Nah, there's no way. No way. There's no way. Yeah, no, there's no way. Bro, did we actually just make it up a freaking cliff? Nah, this game is not. No, that you can't do that in real life, bro. There's no way. This thing is like the Earth Roamer in real life, bro. It's actually crazy. No way. Yo, we made it to the highest point. Let's go. Dude, this map is insane. Alright, well, I think we should go back down. Dude, bro, let's switch to the cabin view. Let's just see how insane. Bro, I would actually, like, shit my pants if I had to go down here in an actual truck. Oh my god. Dude, that is, like, at an angle. Look at that. That's actually nuts. Alright, we're just gonna book it across this water. Alright. That's crazy. We actually made it to the highest point in the map. I think we should try and go this way, see where this leads. This trail looks a little bit more run down than the other ones. Sorry. Alright, bro, this is gonna damage our truck, no doubt, bro. Yeah. Oh my god, bro. Is this a jump? What is this? No, it's a bridge. Alright, it's a bridge. Alright, we can make it across this. I just want to make sure we have enough side on both. Enough. Alright, I think we should be good. Yeah. Alright, we got some paths to choose. I say we just go for the middle one. Alright, yeah, this is some deep mud right here. Alright. Change to the cockpit cam. Oh, okay, yeah, this is steep. This is steep. Get some speed up right here. Oh, alright. Can we make it up? I think this thing can make it up. Considering what it's done earlier, yeah, I think this thing's gonna have no problem making it up. Yeah, nah, not an issue at all. Looks like this is another stopping point in the map. There looks to be some sort of building down there. Or is that another bridge? Yeah. Okay. Let's go down that way. Oh my gosh, dude, look at these rocks. There's no way. That's not a path. Is it actually? Bro, how do you expect us to make it past this? Bro, this thing needs a monster truck to get down here. Alright, well, we can try. Oh. Just absolutely smashed into there. Yeah, no, we're definitely getting some damage right here. Oh, we're gonna smash down. Oh, alright, we're actually doing pretty good. This is intense. Alright, okay, yeah, no, I just absolutely bottomed down on that thing, dude. Yeah, no, unless you have like a freaking monster truck, you are not getting through here. Yeah, no, look at that. Bro, this is crazy. there looks like a watchtower up there through the hills all the way in that corner. You can't actually get out of the car in this game. You just drive, so. Oh! Yeah, no, this thing is cooked. And I'm stuck. Alright, let's floor it. We're getting some damage. Oh. Yeah, no. Yeah, alright, it's broken. Alright. Yeah, no, we're cooked. Well, I think I'm gonna stop it here for this video. That's just nuts. I completely destroyed my engine. If you guys want to see me try this with some other mods, maybe I can get like a lifted truck, something like that. That's a lot smaller than this, because this is obviously like a big camper. But if you guys want to see that, let me know. But I think I'm gonna end the stream here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to go to my YouTube channel, Teletran Vlogs. I post pretty much every weekend as much as I can. But I will definitely be posting a lot more, especially because this is break. I'm going to have a ton of content to post. So thank you guys so much for watching this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.